This is my first unboxing video from a Wyko model. It will be a French 141TA, and let's see what's inside the box. Here we have the model. It's in a very nice case. Let's take it out. After putting in some butane here, and as you can see, the water level is quite good. This is where you can fill up the water, and this is the bypass, which we have to open for the moment. So, and what we've done is put some oil in here. And now we have to wait until she gets under steam. It looks like we are having a lift off from the pressure gauge, but let's wait and see if she really picks up. It's very cold, I think 3 degrees above zero. So 3 degrees Celsius, so we'll see. The model has an axle pump, and we've put some waters in this side tank here. Hope you can see something. And both tanks, this one and that one, are connected at the point where the axle pump is getting out the water. Slowly the pressure is rising, and if we move here we see a little glimpse of steam coming out of the safety valve. So it looks like we're having enough pressure, so let's open the regulator a bit, and then she starts to move. Looks good to me. Of course she has to deal with the water in the cylinders. Don't think the cylinders have drain cocks, but there she's moving. Whoa, very impressive. And she's freeing herself now, and look at this. Wow, I'm impressed. Because it's so cold and damp weather that we get a lot of steam effect. But listen to this very smooth running. Isn't that impressive? I've nearly closed the regulator, and as you can see, she's very quiet for a gas-fired loco. You hardly hear the burner. I'm most impressed, I must say. I've closed the bypass, so if everything's alright, she should pump in water now. But the water level still looks good to me. And the bypass is here. But look how smooth this all goes. I'm sure on the track this is going to be a good runner. This is at 3.5 bar with the throttle open, so there's plenty of power even with these cold conditions. I've closed the gas valve now, and soon she will stop. But for a first run, I'm very impressed. What a beautiful model this is. So here we have it, my first model of Wyko, and I'm very impressed, and I look forward to running it on my track, indoor or outdoor. It depends on the weather. So soon you will see more about it.